Today is all about gold.
My favorite.
Ayala Museum held its International Museum Day relaunching the
Gold of Ancestors exhibit.
And here's what we did. Number 1, the activity sheets were all printed with Canon printers drawn by Minc
And my mom.
accessorized with gold vinyl stickers and colored with Faber-Castell gold highlighters.
So much gold.
Number 2, paper jewelry printed with a Canon LBP 6030.
Was foiled with the Minc machine from Sarian, Philippines.
Thank you. Number 3, we made paper beads and
Big one.
Number 4, did you get to spot Mickey's life-size illustrations cut with a Caesar Romeo?
Number 5.
We went live on the Ayala Museum Facebook page.
If you didn't catch it, see you at the
Mr. Lorna Kabataan's INKfest 2024 on June 30.
Oh wow, it will be another free museum day too.
This is Tippy
And Riley.
from the GooglyGooeys.
See you next time.
Baby, I just want you.